Good morning, guys, from this beautiful place. This place is called the Sandies Tropical Village in Malindi. It's along the Casuarina Road. So I'll just show you around before I leave. This is my last day here before I go to my next place, but let me show you around, okay? Yeah, so that's the place that I was staying. It's just outside. I'll show you inside, okay? Show you the room as well, but that's the outside. So these are the villas. So the villas around the place. There's so many of them. There's even upstairs. So many of them like that. So just behind where we were staying, we have this swimming pool. We have the swimming pool. Let me show you. So these are the stairs where you can go upstairs. So we have this beautiful swimming pool. I was in the swimming pool yesterday and the water was so nice. Very beautiful place. Just want to show you around. Just look at that. And the trees are so beautiful. The sky is so blue. It's a sunny morning. Just enjoy being in this place. This pool is so cool, guys. You can't imagine. The water is so clean and blue. I was in this pool yesterday. It doesn't have a lot of chlorine. So yeah, it was not tingling to the eyes. So yeah, guys, I was in this pool yesterday and it doesn't have a lot of chlorine, so it wasn't tingling my eyes. It's a beautiful place. Let me just show you around before I leave, okay? Oh, I don't know what happened, okay? Try and show you around the whole place. So the reception should be on that side. And goes all the way to the beach. So I want to show you all the way, okay? There's so many pools around here, but just one. A lot of them. So tell me what you think of this place. I really loved my stay here. It's like 3 properties combined together. There is Diamond's Dream of Africa, Sandies Tropical Village, and what's the name of the other place? I'm not sure, but well, it's a cool one. Okay. So that's the Dream of Africa. It's like the Diamond's Dream of Africa. So just keep you guys in the loop as you go. This place is so beautiful, guys. I'm not even exaggerating, I promise. I'm not exaggerating. So here we have the Mvua African Spa. It's around this place, yeah? Yeah, around this place we have the spa. That's the spa place. Then another beautiful swimming pool. This one is tiny, yeah? And the other washrooms. Let's go. A very beautiful place, you cannot imagine. Yeah? So here we go. Here we go. So we have another restaurant here down there, over there. Then this is just towards the sea. I'll show you guys. You can imagine just staying in a place where you can easily access the pools, you can easily access the beach. It's just awesome. I mean, seriously. Just look at this. Just look at this. It's a very beautiful place. I wish I could go for boat riding, but I didn't have enough time here. But when I go to my next destination, I think I'm gonna try and do that. Just look at this place. So here is the Indian Ocean. For those who never seen the Indian Ocean, this is it. This is the Indian Ocean. Yeah. There's some downstairs. So yeah, guys, the stairs where you can go down. So I'm gonna show you the restaurant, the place where we were having our meals. Then I'll be done, and that will be it. Okay. So let's see. I'm gonna just take you around before I leave, guys, because I feel like I've not done you guys justice. I've not done this place justice. This place is so beautiful. I had a night shoot. I hope that you will enjoy it as well. Okay. This place is so beautiful. You cannot imagine. So here is another restaurant. Yeah. That's the menu. Let's see what's in the menu. Crispy squid, seared tuna, chili lemons, burgers, pizza, pasta, Kenyan dishes, samaki wa nazi, nyama choma, oats, yeah, and ice cream. This place is this beautiful. Just imagine, guys. Chilling on a blue sky, the palm trees and all that. So yeah, let me show you the restaurant where we are having our meals. Then that will be it. I think I'll be done for today. Before I leave, I just wanted to show you guys so that I don't feel like oh, there's another pool here. There's another beautiful pool here. Very beautiful pool. There's so many pools around here. So many pools around here. Cannot imagine. So many of them. So here's the restaurant where we were having our meals. We had beautiful meals, by the way. This is a place where we were having our meals. We had some desserts, we had some soups, and what else? Main dishes, grilled fish, everything. We even had duck. Yeah, here the ones in School's place. Then there's the shop for artifacts over here. And yeah, here's the path that I love so much. I love this place because I always love greenery, guys. You know that I love greenery more than anything else. Yeah, I love nature. I love green things. I love all of that. Just look at this beautiful place, you know? Beautiful place. So beautiful. Can't imagine. So here are some villas. There's some villas. There's still an upstairs as well. So here are the villa places, you know. I won't go inside. I don't know if there's someone, but yeah, those are the villas where you can also stay if you don't want to stay in the rooms. And guys, I really need to show you a tour of our room before I leave. I hope I'll remember to do that because I feel like I would not have done this place justice if I don't do that, eh? Don't you agree, guys? I think you do. So yeah, here are the villas again. Just look at how beautiful this place is at night. There are lights on the street. I think I'll show you. It's in the darker, in the night shoot. Yeah, you can see the place in the night shoot. This place is beautiful. I'm telling you guys. So yeah. So look at this hallway. Look at the details. Look at the details in the wall. The details in the wall. So beautiful. So beautiful. Look at this. This place, they're so intentional, very intentional about what they're doing. They are determined to make your stay here very beautiful, I'm telling you. Yeah, so let's go back to my room, then I'll show you guys the room later before you leave, okay? Yeah. So I'm back to the pool where I started. So guys, that was the little mini tour of the whole place. Was it mini? I think it's a long one, but I hope that it was worth it. I really loved staying in this place, and I hope that you like it as well, and maybe you can consider it your next vacation home. So guys, bye for now. See you as we head out.